Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is, you can see here, it is Electrolux brand. This one actually having problem within few minutes after starting machine. Within few minutes it's showing error message E10. Also water not taken to the machine. Now I'm going to repair this machine. Also I'm going to show you how to resolve this issue, and we will go to the next step. Here dear friends, you can see here this one Electrolux brand. The series is 500 Perfect Care. This one 1 to 8 kg washing machine. Actually now I'm going to show you the problem. This is for the checking. I'm not I'm not using fabric because of that. Anyway, now I will select here any option. I'm selecting quick 20 minutes, and also door already is now unlocked. Now I'm going to show you the problem. Now I will start the machine. I given already water connection and everything. You can hear some noise from the abnormal noise from the inlet valve. Water should take inside the machine, but water not take into the machine. Because of that, only it's showing, I'm thinking, error message E10. Now we will wait for a while. After that we can understand. Now it is some noise coming actually from the back side. That's mean through the inlet valve it should be. Now here water should take into the machine, but still not taking. Now within few minutes, actually it's came, it's occurring, it's showing 18 error. That means water not take into the machine. Here water not take into the machine. Now I have to check properly if it is. Now I have to check inlet valve, because if it is defect, we have to replace the inlet valve. Otherwise harness assemble. If it is defect, I have to check properly. Also inlet valve, filter, water connection, everything. Now I have to check. I given already water connection. Now I will remove here, and you can see here water coming. That's mean actually water line is okay. You can see dear friends, water line is okay. We have to check here filter. It is also clear. No any blockage. Now we have to remove the top cover. After that we will check the inlet valve, also harness assemble. If it is defect, we have to replace the inlet valve. Now I'm going to remove the top cover. Here 2 screws we have to unscrew. Now we can take it up. We can remove. Now dear friends, you can check here. This one is too much hot actually. Now we will disconnect the power first. After that we will check here continuity. We will check here disconnect. We will remove the connector here. We can remove like that. Also other one also we will remove. We can remove like that. Here lock. We have to little bit span. After that will come. Now we can check the continuity, both inlet valve. You can see dear friends, it's not showing actually continuity. This side was not showing. You can see here properly. It's not showing. Also this side we will check. Here both sides are not showing continuity, that's mean this inlet valve already got defect. Now we have to replace the inlet valve. After that we will check. You can see, dear friends, it's not showing continuity, that's mean this both inlet valve is not working, that means defect. Now we have to remove the inlet valve here. I will show you how to remove. I already disconnect here power. Now we have to hold like that. After that, here we have to push this one. You can see lock. After that we have to turn clockwise until here come this one. You can see it is very easy. It will go here like that. We have to remove. We can remove this one. Now we can take it out. It will come like that. Now we have to change this one. This one already got damaged. I having same inlet valve. This is new one. I can replace simply. After that we can resolve this issue. Friends, I will show you. This is the new one. This continuity is showing. Both are same. It's showing, but other one is not showing. Now simply we will replace this one. After that our problem will get resolved. Now I will fix this both. Now it's okay, dear. Now I have to fix as same before. I show you how to remove this one. It's same like that. We can fix also. Here we have to turn until come lock here. Here it will come like that. You can see, dear. After that we have to turn anti-clock. Here it will come like that. Now we have to turn anti-clockwise until getting lock. This lock will come to here. Now it's okay. Now we will give the power connection again. Now it's okay. Now again I will give the water connection, water supply. I given power connection. After that it's showing again E10. That's mean before it shows already. Because of that now I have to cancel this program and I will go for again 20 minutes. This is quick 20 minutes. Now I will start the machine again. Door already got lock. Yes, dear. Now you can see here it is water coming. No any issue now. It should work without any error message. We will wait until start motor, wash motor. Otherwise it's until rotating drum. If it is occurring the same issue, that means it shows showing error message E10. We have to check properly inlet valve. Before replacing inlet valve, we have to check the water connection also with the inlet valve having filter here. That one also sometimes it's getting blocked, but this inlet valve not any blockage also. This one very hot still. This solenoid valve actually it is already gone. I don't know what is the reason, actually both it's not showing. That's mean both together is defect. This one 230 50-60 hertz, you can see here it's drum. Now still taking water. Now dear friends, it's water supplying, it's already got stopped. That's mean pressure sensor everything okay, perfect. Machine running well without any problem. Now I already resolved the issue. That's mean error E10 I already resolved, because Electrolux brand it's having error E10 mean actually related with the inlet valve. Now I already replaced the inlet valve. Machine is running well without any problem. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.